anyone? Just until I'm done holding this guy.
Bulldozer.
Until I'm done playing with Bulldozer. Let's go, please. No, really. No. Please. Regan, no.
Reagan, be quiet. Shush, shh, shh, shh. Quiet. Can you stop? Someone's jealous. JJ, are you happy? Smile, JJ. Cutie patootie. Thank you. Do you love Bulldozer? I swear we feed him, we bathe him, we give him water in his bowl, but no, he wants the chicken water and he wants the chicken food. He's such a bully. Look at this.
Are you doing a video?
Yeah, I promise you, he gets plenty, but no. And Bulldozer is super happy right now. Do you want to keep holding him? Okay. If you want to get up, let me know. What are you doing? Reagan, what are you doing? Reagan, what are you doing? You have your own food.
No.
Jealous little thing. Sean, JJ, look at me. Thank you.